Wow, so nice. See it? My Irish potato, my everything, soft and nice. Look. Okay guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Okay, today I'm going to cook curry turkey drumstick. Yes, over there in my container I have a drumstick. I bought one big one and all my green ingredients is right there. And over in that little baby container is some black pepper and some salt. And I have garlic powder, I have dash, I have whole bay, I have turmeric gonna mix with the curry. Yes, so I already washed my drumstick already and I wash it with lemon and vinegar. Okay, because it's very raw. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna put my season on my turkey drumstick. Okay, in this container I told you that is salt and some black pepper. Half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Is not much, so I'm not gonna kill it with the season. Over here I have the garlic. I'm just gonna put a teaspoonful and the dash season. I always call it Mr. Dash. I don't know why. I'm gonna also put a teaspoonful too. And I have this whole bay season. Yes. Teaspoonful. Turmeric. He will have some chopped turmeric here. Okay. 1 teaspoon of curry. Yes, I'm gonna burn the pot with the oil with some. So before I combine everything together, I'm gonna put in, this is turmeric and ginger. This is garlic. And I'm gonna leave a little of the garlic with this pepper to burn with the with the curry. Okay, over here is all of my earth 4 color pepper. Yes, I'm gonna put them in here. I have some onion here, thyme, Irish potato, carrot. But here, gonna burn this here. That's my thing here. So I'm gonna put them together and marinate it. Season them up. The container looks small. So it's not much, so I'm not going to put in a big container. I'm just gonna season a bit. Ooh, curry smells nice. So I'm gonna rub it up and I'm gonna make it sit for like around 10-15 minutes. Yes, and I said curry turkey drumstick. Smelling good. Alright, I'm gonna cover this and let it sit there for 10-15 minutes. I will be right back. On the stove, here's a pot for my turkey. I'm just gonna put a little oil. And in this oil, I'm going to put some garlic and my pepper and also some curry. Put another teaspoon of curry. I use this spoon because the curry mess up all the other spoon then. Alright. I'm going to remove my turkey over here. Sit for around 10-15 minutes. I'm going to remove them from the seasoning. I mean the pepper and stuff. And I'm going to put them here. When it gets a little tender, I can add all these seasoning to it. So I'm going to cover this till I'm ready. Okay, I'll leave it to catch a little color. Let me cover it and then I will right back. Oh, great and perfect. So nice piece. Okay, I like any catchy color, you know. One turkey. Cover it back again. And then I'll be right back. Right? Nice. Very nice. Good. Alright, I'm gonna throw 2 cups of water first. Alright, let it cook down. Through my cooking, I will add my seasoning because turkey is not easy to cook like chicken. So give it some time, make it cook, and then I come back to it, okay? So I can put in my season now. Yeah, wow, see? Tender. So I'm gonna add all my ingredients to it now. Put some more water in it. This is the final cook down. Add some water. And I'm gonna put a little piece of butter. Wow, looking good. Coming from the bone. I'm gonna get some water. This is the last water I cook it down with. When that water finish, then we finish. And I add a piece of butter. Okay. Let it cook down now. Alright. Okay, let me check it now. Wow. Wow. So nice. See it? My Irish potato, my everything. Soft and nice. Look. I can turn off the stove now. Okay? This is it. Well, let me turn off the stove. Okay guys, we're gonna put it into a container. Wow, this is my finishing touch. Looking good. Yes, very nice.
Wow, honey, this is looking so good. Let us taste a little piece of it. So soft and delicious. Flavor, man, full of flavor. Very nice. What a nice piece, man. Yes, wife, you do your very best. It's so nice. I'm enjoying it.
Okay, remember to like, share, subscribe, please. Click that notification bell and leave a comments down below. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.